is my favorite color. Actually, I like red and black. Oo nga sis, ang dami. Pag mag-show up ako, marami din nag-aano. Yeah, it's so cool. I'm always wearing black because I'm fat. So the black is can be slim. Yeah, slim looking. Yes. Legendary, yeah. If you're wearing a black, you just like a slim. So because now I'm so chubby, so I'm wearing always black.